Chris, welcome to Floor Talk. It's great to have you on the show.
Thank you so much for having me. We really appreciate you taking the time.
Chris, an exciting time. You announced a $5 billion valuation and a $500 million Series C extension. So now tell me more about the latest funding round and what you're planning on using the funds for.
Yeah, well, the $500 million funding round was led by Iconic Growth and Capital G, which is the independent investment arm of Alphabet. And we've got three primary purposes for the funding. First and foremost, we're going to use the funding to continue to innovate our product, to continue to improve it. We're going to use it for R&D, research into AI and other things to add more features and to really improve our already best-in-breed product. Second, the funding is going to allow us to continue to overinvest in customer service and support, which is world-class already. Finally, we recently announced an acquisition of Dropsuite, a SaaS backup company, which is going to allow us to provide more features and services to our customers, and some of the funding is going to go to that as well. But really, the funding wasn't about the money as much as it was we saw an opportunity to add two world-class growth investors to the Ninja team. CapG and Iconic have played major roles in building some of the world's greatest enterprise companies, including Snowflake and CrowdStrike and Datadog. And we just believe that the resources and experience and knowledge and connections and information that Iconic and Google had were going to allow us to provide the best possible experience to our customers and also to allow our customers to continue to succeed. And really, that's the goal of any company is to have your customers succeed.
Okay, so let's talk more about the company. Tell me about NinjaOne and the problem you're solving for your customers.
We like to say that NinjaOne automates the hardest parts of IT. And we believe that hardest parts of IT is monitoring and managing endpoints and devices. Now, what's an endpoint or a device? So an endpoint or a device is the obvious things like a computer, a personal computer, a laptop, a tablet, but it also includes things like cell phones and smartwatches and point of service devices like cash registers or even IoT things like smart speakers. Really, it's anything that connects to the internet. And over the past few years, we've seen a gigantic surge in the number and different types of these devices. People keep coming up with new devices every year that didn't exist just a year before. And having one platform that could securely and efficiently manage all of these devices is what makes NinjaOne special. And endpoints and devices, they're the key to all business success. They're the driver of business growth. But there's a big caveat that these endpoints pose a very serious security risk. In fact, 9 out of 10 security breaches originate from endpoints. And most of these endpoints are no longer being protected by traditional firewalls because of the proliferation of remote and hybrid work. So you don't have these normal business firewalls protecting them. And our customers use NinjaOne to securely and efficiently manage and protect these devices. In fact, there are over 25,000 customers using NinjaOne to manage and protect over 100,000 businesses and literally millions of customers. So, we think there's a big opportunity and Ninja's making a big difference here.
Now, Chris, I know customer success and providing transformational support is a huge part of your organizational philosophy. So tell me, how do you think about customer impact?
Yeah, well, that's a great question. And really, it's the most important thing to Ninja. Every decision we make, before we make it, we ask, what is going to make our customers more successful? When my co-founder Sal and I started Ninja, we said we were going to have 3 fundamental tenets that we were going to stick to. And the first one was to build the best possible product we could, to innovate, to make it intuitive, to make it easy to use, to help it make customers successful, and to let it get better every single year. The second thing we were going to do is we were going to treat our customers the way we'd want to be treated, treat our employees the way we'd want to be treated. We give our customers unparalleled customer service, unparalleled customer support, and we also give them something unique, we think, is unprecedented access to our customer roadmap. We publish our roadmap online of every feature we're planning to build, and we take input from our customers and even our potential customers as to what they want us to build next. And we'll change based on what our customers say, because we believe that nobody knows what's going to make our customers more successful than the customers themselves. So we've always had this philosophy that if we build the best possible product and we treat our employees and customers like gold, everything else is going to work out, and so far it has. So we've been really, really fortunate and really excited about the future.
Speaking about the future, tell me more about what 2025 has in store for NinjaOne. What's the market opportunity for you?
We're extremely excited about 2025. We think there's a tremendous market opportunity, and we've got some major goals in 2025. The first one is we want to expand geographically to other countries and expand vertically to other industries. So we want to, go to the federal government, for instance, space. The second thing is always the most important thing, is to continue to make the best possible product for our customers, to keep improving it and making it better every single month, let alone every single year. And then finally, and maybe perhaps most importantly, is we want to continue to dominate the autonomous endpoint management space. Right now, our investors tell us that that space in the IT market is an over $50 billion total addressable market. And we think Ninja can take a gigantic share of that market if we continue to execute, continue to build the best possible product, and continue to really treat our customers, better than any other business in the world. And, that's what our goal is, and that's what we're committed to. And, in short, we're just really, really excited about 2025. We think it's going to be an amazing year, both for NinjaOne and for NinjaOne's customers, and frankly, we're just getting started. We think there's a lot to be done and a long way to go, but we think there's a bright, bright future ahead.
You're just getting started. It seems like there's exciting times ahead for NinjaOne. Congratulations on your amazing milestone.
Well, thank you so much, and thanks for having us.
Thank you for joining me on Floor Talk.
I really enjoyed meeting you.